Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is queue in Python. Queue works on the principle of first in, first out. That is called FIFO. Let's see how it will work. The same is stack queue. Okay, and let's print Q1. Let's add few items. Q1 dot append. In the same way, we can add Mohan, then print. Okay, let's print it after adding. Then we have to use finally pop function passing 0. Okay, then we have to print again our queue after removing element. Let's print. If you see, after adding an element, so it is Mohan was added. The final queue we have this. After removing element, Raj is removed from the first position. So this is a concept of queue. Okay, and where you can use this queue implementation in the project, in the application development, you can always think about sending out the emails. Okay, we can create a queue of employee to whom we have to send out the email. How to use dq? We have to import one package from collection, right? We have to import a module, that is dq. Let me create one dq variable. We have to call this dq. Then we have to create elements like Raj, Rohan, Amar. Let's print first this dq. Okay, run the program. So our queue is printed. Now we have to add some items in it. Dq, in order to add items, we have to use same function append. This time let's say Mohan. Okay, let's print again. So let's print our dq first. Okay, we have just added Mohan here. Remove some elements. If you use the pop function, it will remove the element from the top always. Okay, so let me print and saying after removing element using pop. Okay, let's print it. So you see Mohan is been removed. This is our updated queue. Now we see one more method here which can actually remove element from front end. Okay, what is that method? That is called a popleft function. How to use it? Let's see. Popleft. Okay, now we have removed the element from the front end. So first print the dq before using popleft function. Let's run. Now let's print again after removing. Now run. Okay, you see, so after removing element using pop, so it was this queue. Then we printed the updated dq. After removing element using pop left, Rohan and Amar is only there. That is called pop left. If you want to remove the element from the backhand, then you use pop function.
That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.